Good Sunday morning. Hope everybody's doing great. Nice, cool fall morning. So, had our men's club meeting at Allen Memorial this morning. So I just got back and time to get the day started. Come over to Alcovey Methodist. For 11 o'clock service. Love to see you. Oh, there goes the neighbor's cat. You better hurry up and get home. So, got some birthdays today and everything. And first off, I got to go. It was an ugly win for the Dogs, but a win's a win, and it was a strange ball game. But hey, a win's a win. So go Dogs. So start off with a birthday today. We got somebody from TikTok that I post on TikTok, Anna. She says it's her birthday, so happy birthday to you. Hope you get to see it. And if you watch TikTok, share it, and everything. So I might make $1 on it one day if I knew how to do that. So, but I enjoy doing it. So for different people. So, and then we got Terry Bradley, a Mansfield viewer. So happy birthday to you. And then we got Junior Hyatt. She was a friend of Sarah's all the way through school and played softball against her, for years. So happy birthday, Ginger. And then I got her cousin, Jenny Thompson Glass. Happy birthday, Jenny. So hope you and your mom and all the Thompsons doing good over in Monroe. So have a great day. Enjoy them new grandbabies and all. So don't forget your balls to butt order. Get it in. Like have majority of what I need to order by October 20th. So and everything. So we're getting quite a few. Appreciate everybody, supporting us and Relay for Life because, big for Sarah. And I just keep doing what Sarah taught me to do. We did it together and everything. So a little bit might try to make it to the bell today. She's getting old. Well, she might not now. So let's see. I guess don't forget your balls to butts. Our sale went fairly well at the church yesterday. We'll be back over at the farmers market this week, and you can always hit me up on Facebook and meet me over at the nursery and see what we got. So love to have you. And a little bit, you making it today, girl. She's old. She's 19 years old. Every day I think, oh Lord, but she's still hanging in there. So have a wonderful day. And here's our bell ring. And hey, Miss Lil,